Welcome to a new video. I'm Aaron and today is Tech Thursday and we're talking about wiper blades. Because a windshield wiper is a simple and effective device. However, when you need to lift the wiper blades or it's time to change them, or when there is snow and ice outside, there are some steps you need to take from damaging the hood of your Kia.
Tech Thursday.
Let me show you how to lift the windshield wipers to clean the windshield, inspect or replace wiper blades, or raise the wipers in snow and ice conditions. This is called the wiper service mode. First, turn on the ignition, then turn the ignition off. After turning the ignition off, you have 20 seconds to activate the wiper service mode. This is done by moving the wiper stalk into the mist mode and holding it for a few seconds. That will activate the wiper service mode and the wipers will automatically move into and stay in the upright position. And when replacing them, refer to the process in your owner's manual. If you do have questions, you can always contact Kia, call into our service department. This has been our Tech Thursday edition, which is talking all about wiper blades and how to change them and get to the wiper service mode. Thank you for watching and go back and watch our other YouTube channel videos. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe our YouTube channel and on Facebook. We'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. We are Fredericton Kia, movement that inspires.
Tech Thursday.